Let's do this. If you guys haven't watched the unboxing part, because this is maybe just the changing out the thumbsticks, check it out. These glow in the dark. You can almost see it. Yeah, I'll put on the light. They glow in the dark. Pretty nice. We're going to be changing it out on my Xbox controller. First, you gotta take out the batteries. I got the kit, so it came with another screwdriver. There should be a piece of tape, not tape, a sticker there on yours. Mine's already been replaced once before. The link will be in the description below of the kit I bought. Just one screw there, and then we gotta pop off these sides. This kit does not come with the screwdriver you need for that. You need like this really tiny screwdriver. I stick it right in there, or down here. Oh, it's bent. My screwdriver is bent for some reason. And pry up. Alright, got that one off. This thing needs cleaned. Just pry up and out. There we go. That doesn't break them. They look like they'd break, but I've had these a long time, since the Xbox One came out. So, then you got a screw right there, right there, right there, and right there. All with the provided. And then the whole front cover will pop off. Be careful when you do this, that if you're on carpet, make sure you keep all your screws. We're just doing the thumbstick, so it ain't too hard. Now if you take that sticker off, GameStop will not take it as a trade-in. And that comes right off. And do some quick cleaning. And here's your thumbsticks. They just pull right off. Might have been on there for a while, I'm assuming. I think my thumbsticks are junk. Couple years old though. Gonna move that around, make sure it's free. Gotta make sure everything's good while I'm in here. Then I'm gonna take the new ones. And there is a correct way to put them on. They're notched. Make sure the notch is just like. Push it down until you hear it click. The button click. These don't click on. There we go. Put the cover back on. Glow in the dark. And you can see through them, which is pretty cool. I may complete this whole setup with glow in the dark. And let's put the screws back in. I'm going to put this middle one in first. I feel like that holds everything together. I would clean the controller up, but it's just going to get dirty again. And most likely the thumbstick will start doing that stray thing where it just starts walking automatically. And I'll have to gut it, put a new one in. I'll clean it then. There we go. And then these just clip right back on. You push that down in like that. And then push that this way. put it down in like that. And then push it towards the middle. There we go, snaps right in. Put my batteries back in. Well, if my device was on, it would connect. There we go.